Hi there, good morning. It's Lori from Lollipop Paper and Ink. It is not Wednesday, it's Tuesday, but I wanted to pop on really quickly today just to let everybody know that the January to June 2021 mini catalog has been released and it is ready to go. So there's fabulous products in there. I just want to make sure you know me. Okay, I think I'm okay. So anyway, so I just wanted to let you know that it's going well and it's going strong. We've already been notified, even before the release, that they have anticipated back orders and delays like pretty quickly, just from the pre-order period. So just keep that in mind. If there's something that you really love that you want, go get it now. So this catalog, this is the mini catalog. This is what we're talking about, and it has 2 kits. One is a project kit. One is a an all-inclusive kit. They're both beautiful. I think it has like 8 suites and 30, it's 8 suites and 26 bundles, but those are the bundles that come with the dies. And then there's another 6 or 8 bundles that come with the punches, which we all love punches. So, so I just wanted to let you know about all of that. And so if you're not familiar, then I just wanted to go over the Sale-A-Bration Brochure. So this is also, if you received catalogs, you probably got both of them, whether it was from me or somebody else. But so what this means is that these are filled with free products, and you can earn these free products with every $50 purchase from the mini catalog or the annual catalog. So you could always go back to the annual catalog and stock up on your paper and things like that. So so that's, and there are 2 award levels that you can earn. So one is a $50 level 1, and that's for each $50. You can pick there are certain stamp sets, papers in here, and it says free with, it has a little gold tab, and it says free with $50 purchase. Then if you have 2 and you're dealing with $100, then you have a choice of either getting 2 level 1 products, free products, or 1 level 2 products. And those are the really nice ones. One of them is called Berry Blessings, and it's a stamp set and it's a full pack of DSP. That's what you get. That's the $100 reward level. And then there's another one that's called Touch of Ink, and that's really pretty too, and it has lots of images in there. So that's a level 2 award also. So just keep that in mind. It's going on now through February 28th. Normally our Sale-A-Bration periods are 3 months. This year it's only 2 months. But the good thing about that is it's shorter, but we're going to have another one in July. So that's something good to look forward to. All right, so since I have you, the real reason I wanted to pop on quickly today is to tell you about the Stampin' Up! Starter Kit promotion that is happening only during Sale-A-Bration. So it's just these 2 months. And it is 5 free packs of DSP when you purchase the starter kit. So the starter kit, you know, is you pay $99, you choose $125 worth of product. Bang. You don't pay shipping, you have that extra, which is another 10% charge that you wouldn't be getting. You get a paper pumpkin box, not a current one, but one from a previous month. And you have and then with your very next order, you get to use your 20% discount, which is what what you're entitled to once you buy the starter kit. So it is 5 packs of the 6x6 DSP. Now these are the color families. So there's 40 sheets in each pack. It's the subtles, the brights, the regals, and the neutrals. And then also the 5th one is the 2022, hi Peggy, is the 2022 in color pack. So That's over 200, that is 200 packs, 200 sheets of DSP that you'll get. And which would, if you added it up, it's over $67 of value. So, so that's, again, only for 2 months, and it's when you buy the starter kit. So if you have any questions, I just wanted to let you know that that's out there. It's limited time. It's a great value. Oh, and these products, these color families, the print on here is brand new. It's not even in any catalog. So you'll be the first to get that. That will be in the upcoming annual catalog for 2021-22. So, so this is all brand new stuff. Nobody else has it unless you are either a demonstrator before or you're signing up for the starter kit now. So I hope you'll think about it. If you have any questions, you can email me, PM me on Facebook. I'll have the link for my page where you can just get more information about it. And really that's just, you know, telling you what I just told you now, and then a little bit about joining my team. And we are 98% hobbyists and happy shoppers. So there is absolutely no pressure to do classes, do a workshop, do a party, anything like that. So it's all just inspiring each other, sharing with each other, and we have fun together, and we've made some really, really nice friendships since we started. So we meet virtually once a month on Zoom. I have a few ladies that are local, which we haven't been able to meet this year, but I'm hoping that pretty soon we'll be able to pick that up again. But it's basically, we have a Facebook page where we do challenges, and there's a team, I send out a team email every week to keep everybody up to speed with what's going on. And we do card swaps and just fun stuff like that. So again, there's no pressure within my team. The very few that are interested in making a little money on the side or making it a business, I do offer trainings for that too, but it's totally optional. But like I said, most of the people are on our team. We're here for just stamping together and sharing, doing what we love. So that's it for today. I'll have some links in the description below, and but you know, you can call me anytime, and if you want to chat about it. Tomorrow come back, because at 11 tomorrow is my regular Wednesday morning live, and we are going to dive right into my #1 favorite bundle from the Fine Art Floral Suite. But my favorite bundle is the art gallery, and wait till you see it. It's just out of this world. So we're going to dive right in tomorrow. We'll do 2 projects with that, and then I have on Saturday coming up a Facebook party kickoff for this new catalog. So I'll have the link for that too. Just join, and you can just come and visit. I'll have videos, tutorials, some door prizes, and product showcases. It'll start with a Facebook Live with some make and takes, and after that you can just pop in and out whenever you want. It's going to go on for 3 days, so you won't miss anything. But I do want to keep it where I can put it in a group where I can, you know, put some things up on the files for you to have access. So pop over, join that group, and join us anytime, starting on Saturday at, I guess, around 11 or 12 on Saturday. Okay, thanks so much for spending a few minutes with me today. I appreciate it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Have a great day.